We need to talk about the cost of car insurance in Ireland, and in particular for younger drivers. So many young people in this country cannot get on the road because of the extremely high costs in car insurance, with many young people being quoted quotes of over €2,000 and €3,000 to insure their cars. This is completely and utterly unacceptable. We have to do more to deal with it. And one particular area that needs to be addressed is the cost of claims in Ireland. So I'm often asked, what are Fianna Fáil doing to tackle this particular issue? Well, I'm happy to say that today the action plan to deal with the cost of insurance in Ireland took a major step in the right direction. New guidelines have today come into effect to deal with personal injury claims. This will help to greatly reduce the cost of personal injury claims in Ireland. Considering the fact that 40% of the cost of insurance is made up because of the cost of claims, this is very, very good news. The insurance companies have also committed to changing their premiums as a result of the change of the guidelines, and we will do everything to ensure that these savings are passed on to you, the consumer. I will continue to work extremely hard alongside my colleagues in government to ensure that these changes are successfully brought into place to bring down the cost of insurance for everybody, and in particular for so many younger drivers. It's critically important and it is only fair. Rip-off insurance needs to end.